Hey, how's it going? Welcome to Software Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to copy, move, or sync your content between workspaces and accounts in Notion. So first things first, let's head over to the top and see what we're dealing with. So I have one account which has two workspaces tied to it, and I added another account which has one workspace. As you can see, these are the plans, so personal, team, and team for the other account. So the first thing we're going to be dealing with is moving to another workspace in the same account. So you can see here we have this page which has some content inside, and to move it's quite simple. Click on the three dots. You can see we have move to, and you can also use the shortcut. And when we do click on that, you can see these are the options. You can also search, but we want to move to another workspace, and this is it right here. So if I click on this, it's going to load and it disappears from this workspace. And now if we switch over, you'll see this comes up under the private section. Now the reason why is because this is private to my account. It doesn't just add it to any other page under the workspace tab. Now this is applying to a team workspace, and if I do want to move this so everyone can see it, everyone that's basically tied to this workspace, so if there's other accounts, they'll now be able to see it because I've moved it from my private into the public page. So that's it for moving. Let's go back and we'll copy. So to copy, it's quite simple. Highlight the block, Control C, head back over to that workspace, and I'm going to paste it underneath. So once it's done loading, depends on how big the block is, you should see some options come up, which are these: dismiss, paste and sync, and link to page. Now if you just want to copy, then you can click somewhere or you can click dismiss, and we'll do it one more time for sync. Now if we paste and sync, do keep in mind that not everyone can see this. The original page is at the personal workspace, and this isn't shared with everyone that's within this workspace. So all other accounts that don't have access to this, they won't be able to see this sync block at all. So yeah, just keep that in mind when you're copying and syncing within different workspaces. So that's it for dealing with workspaces under the same account. Let's now head over and we'll start dealing with workspaces from different accounts. Now when it's to do with another account, you do not have the option to move, and you can only copy and paste. So you can see here we have this account and this workspace, so let's go into it. Now watch what happens when I paste this. It's going to load, and we do get this message saying user cannot read source. Now some other times you might paste it in and it'll look like it'll paste and then it'll just disappear. But let's fix this first. And the reason why we're getting that type of error message is simply because this account doesn't have access to this workspace. So let's go back, and what I'm going to do is put this side by side just to make things a little bit more visually appealing. So if we want to share content with another account, we just simply put the content into a page, which is this one, and then we share that page. So if I click here, I can now paste in the email for this account, which is right here. So when you do paste it, it'll search and it'll show. Select the account and then invite, and if we refresh this page, and I'll also refresh the app as well, you can see there's one invitation, and if we go in, you can see it has access to that workspace, but if I click on it, it only has access to whatever we shared, which is this page here. It cannot see everything else in that workspace. So now if we go to the workspace for this account And now if we copy this page again and paste it in, you can see it gives us these options. Now this normally doesn't show paste and sync. I don't know why it suddenly started showing it. It normally just says dismiss and link to page. But watch what happens if I click paste and sync. It's just going to disappear, because you shouldn't be able to sync between another account, Workspace from another account, and I think that's a bug actually. It might just be a caching issue. So if I go into this and then I go into this one, you can see information is identical, database information also identical. The only thing is obviously create a time and create a date. Because I copied it over, that all changes. And that's pretty much it for copying your stuff over to another account. Now you may be asking, why would you do this? I can give you a perfect example. Imagine this is your business here, and you have content in it, but you want to now move it to another account for another business perhaps, and you basically want your information to transfer over. This is the best way I can see that working. The Notion doesn't give you that option yet. Hopefully they will soon, where you can just transfer stuff over to another account, but this is the best way to transfer it over to another account. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it did help you out. If you have any questions at all, do make sure to leave it down in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.